Let us find the greatest common factor or the greatest common monomial factor of each pair of monomials. Number 1, 8x to the fourth and 4x squared. What is the GCF of these two monomials? Let's look at the constants, 8 and 4. The greatest number that we can divide 8 and 4 with is 4. So 4 is a common factor. Then for x to the fourth and x squared, these are the same variables. The one with the lower exponent is the greatest common factor. So the greatest common factor here is 4x squared. Number 2, 9y cubed and 15z. For 9 and 15, the highest possible number which we can divide them is 3. So the GCF of 9 and 15 is 3. Then for y cubed, there's y cubed in the first one, but there's no y in the second monomial. So y is not a common factor. Then for z also, there's no z in the first monomial. So there is no common factor containing any letter or variable. So the greatest common factor is 3. 3 only. Number 3, 20a squared b to the fifth and 25a to the sixth b cubed. For 20 and 25, the greatest common factor is 5. 5 is the biggest possible number with which we can divide 20 and 25. For a squared and a to the sixth, the one with the lower exponent will be the GCF. So a squared. Then for b to the fifth and b cubed, the greatest common factor is b cubed. So the GCF of these two monomials is 5a squared b cubed. For number 4, 14x cubed y to the fourth and 21xy cubed, what will be the greatest common factor?